Today's 2 days before Christmas, and it's really pretty nice out. Got a light jacket on. Walking around the Thomlinson Run campground and brought the drone, flying the drone a little bit. Just thought I'd enjoy a nice Sunday. To the vlog. I'm at the east end of the Thomlinson Run campground right now. I flew the drone at the west end and then at the main entrance. And there's a lot of trees here, but I think I'm going to try and put the drone up in between the trees. Get a shot here also. Campground's closed, but it's open for hiking. When I came up, the gate is down at the bottom of the road down this way. I walked about 100 yards up the road and then I bushwhacked over the hill and came up over in that campground there. And I saw 3 deer on the way up. And it's not really that far. I think you can see on camera the road is right there, but it swings out around, makes a left-hand bend, goes up around the hill quite a ways before it gets to the center of the campground. Let's put the drone up, see what we can see from up there. Well, I did get the drone up, and as you can see, it's quite a lot of trees. I went up I think I took off from right about here. I went up between these trees, just about that hole there. I was over top that tree. I was up about 75, 80 feet. Panned around, get a view of the campground. I had a little bit of trouble coming down, but it seems like the satellites might not have been picking up the satellites real good. And it was drifting, but I kept it out of the trees, brought it down, landed here. And as I'm walking back, I realized I forgot to turn the camera on. Probably would have been some good pictures. Not even seen my van where it's parked. Hey, that's what you get when you watch a video with me. You never know. See you later. Yesterday I posted a video about being at Walmart on a Saturday, 3 days before Christmas. There I am at Walmart on Sunday, 2 days before Christmas. Oh. Well, the other day I did some flying with my drone, and I wanted to do some night flying, which I've done a couple of times, but I came up with this, and it wasn't really my idea, but I bought these lights at Walmart. They go on the tube of your bicycle. They can be on steady or they can be on blinking. I got 2 white ones and I got 2 red ones. Put these on the arm of my drone, put the 2 red ones in the back, the 2 white ones on the front, and it allowed me to see the drone at night a lot better. I'm afraid maybe some of my neighbors may think there's a UFO in the neighborhood or something, but it's kind of cool watching them fly at night. I left the front ones on steady, and I put the red ones in the back on flashing. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Here's a couple short videos of that.
Really warm.
Say Merry Christmas, Grandma.
Yeah.
Grandma.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So many
A late Merry Christmas. It's after 7 o'clock.
different colors. But I figured that you could probably.
Well, today is actually Christmas, and kind of nice out. It's about 38 degrees. There's no breeze blowing right now. It's clear. Not too bad. And I just want to take this time to say thank you for watching the video, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. We'll see you later.